My name is SRDJAN KOLJEVIC. I was born in 1966. I'm a film director and a screenwriter, and I teach screenwriting at the Faculty of Dramatic Arts in Belgrade.
My name is Bojan Vuletić. I'm a scriptwriter and a film director in Belgrade, also teaching in a film school, film academy.
I got sick with colorectal carcinoma in 2018 and had a first operation in November of 2018, so practically for 4.5 years I'm fighting with this disease.
I know SRDJAN for more than 20 years, and in the past 2 years when it was clear that the transplantation of his liver is the only option, I tell him immediately that he can count on me.
Luckily, but you have to have some luck as well. Luckily, through a friend who is in Turkish embassy in Belgrade, Serbia, we find the path to Dr. Balcı. We read all his articles in the literature, contacted him, had 2 Skype conversations. He very carefully examined our documentation and consulted his colleagues.
We studied and evaluated the patient extensively, and the possible donor of the patient was his best friend. They approached us and we evaluated their results, then invited them to Istanbul for further evaluation. Discussing with international experts and remaining within the consensus guidelines, we decided that living donor liver transplantation is a good indication for our patients.
Bojan was convinced that his blood type was A, so this wouldn't work. So through a friend, an actor who on Instagram published that I'm looking for a liver donor, Bojan was the one who I asked to collect all the names of the people who wanted to donate the liver. And I was very much touched by the fact that 35 colleagues, friends, people from not only from my country, but from the region, even one Turkish director. So I'm, of course, tremendously lucky that I have a friend like Bojan, who, without hesitation, immediately reacted and wanted to donate the liver to be my liver donor. And definitely this prolonged my life. Definitely now I've been since 4 years fighting with this disease. Now I'm in a position to have a head start to fight again the new cycles. So for me this is new beginning, new hope, new opportunity, new chance. And as I said, I'm deep into this, explored all the possibilities, and of course there are no words that I can.
We're very happy that the living donor liver transplantation was performed as planned and became a life-saving treatment for our patients who approached us from Serbia.
The whole team with Dr. Balcı on the head is absolutely amazing, especially the nurses, sisters and whole people who are doing in medical park, not just the doctors, but literally everybody who is doing here. They make our lives much better, much easier to overcome all this very complicated and very stressful period. And beside them, I also want to thank the beautiful people from the agency, especially our friend and colleague Fatima, who was very helpful in the communication between great Turkish professionals and us who are coming from the abroad.
I woke up a new man, and that is, and I like to thank the organ transplant center in the whole hospital for the care, the treatment and the support, and especially Dr. Bakri, Dr. Kozokvar and Dr. Balcı, which are people with vision, not only with skill, but also with vision, and for great support and great caution, because they were very cautious about each step preceding this. So they were doing everything to minimize the risk, and that is also very important and gave me all the confidence. So this is like a miracle experience for me.